Ceptics CTU adapters are available in types A to N, with our Type O adapter coming soon. All of our adapters are designed in the United States. The internal construction and quality metals provide better connectivity and a fully grounded connection from input to output. They're simple, safe, and easy to use, designed small so that they will fit into the pockets or nooks and crannies of your suitcase. Each of our CTU adapters can accommodate 3 different devices at a time. The 3-in-1 design accepts 1 standard US grounded or ungrounded plug and 2 smart USB charging ports, perfect for iPhones, iPads, cell phones, and other USB devices. Since these adapters have the standard North American socket, you don't have to deal with the difficult, often temperamental universal sockets found on the larger, more complicated adapters. It's easy, just plug in and charge. Ceptics adapters come with a lifetime limited warranty. Return a Ceptics adapter for any reason and we will replace it with a new one. Our CTU adapters do not convert voltage. Please make sure that your appliances are compatible with the country's voltage before you connect it to the wall outlet.